there truly is a power of one if you choose to get involved. FCCLA has a lot to offer its advisors and students. Here, you can find a sense of belonging, and on top of that, fun activities planned for its members. Come join us in chapter, region, and state activities, where you'll get the chance to meet new people and network with like-minded people.
FCCLA emphasizes the importance of family and consumer sciences education, formerly known as Home Ec, through participation in STAR events. STAR stands for Students Taking Action for Recognition. FCCLA also encourages action involvement in the home and community through national programs and community service partnerships.
FCCLA connects to 6 cluster areas or career pathways: arts and design, education and training, financial services, hospitality and tourism, public services, and human services, all preparing students to be career-ready, contributing members of society. Now, you may be wondering, how do STAR events tie into all of this?
By choosing to get involved in junior high, it increases your opportunities to really find yourself. It also opens opportunities to compete in one of our 30-plus events where you not only develop important durable skills like leadership, communication, organization, and professional presentation skills, but it helps you become a well-rounded teenager. Plus, you can earn the opportunity to compete at region, state, and possibly the National Leadership Conference.
So, what does it take to become an FCCLA member? It's simple. Anyone who's taken or is currently taking a family and consumer sciences class is eligible for membership.
FCCLA can benefit you in so many ways, from leadership skills to discovering new careers. It can also be a good way to learn how to be responsible, accountable, adaptable, and productive. FCCLA can be an incredible adventure that will help your future reach new horizons.
Members develop skills for life through character development, creative and critical thinking, interpersonal communication, practical knowledge, and career preparation. Through being actively involved in FCCLA, it offers opportunities to travel from events right here in Utah to experiences across the country. These opportunities include region, state, and national STAR event competitions, as well as fall and capital leadership conferences.
This year, Utah FCCLA is making a positive difference through 3 meaningful service projects. We've partnered with the Birthday Box Foundation to collect items and to help make a positive difference and make birthdays special for families in need. We're also supporting individuals and families that are impacted by cancer. At the Fall Leadership Conference, student officers have the opportunity to write encouraging letters of light, and chapters can serve all year by making, collecting, and creating comfort care kits. Together, we can make a positive difference and help others feel seen, supported, and loved. Visit the Utah FCCLA website for more information and ways to get involved. FCCLA stands for Family, Career, and Community Leaders of America. It's a national, student-led organization that empowers students to make a difference in their families, schools, careers, and communities, while developing leadership skills for both professional and everyday life.
Find your people.
Find your passion.
Find your place in FCCLA. We hope to see you there.